This is radius and ulna of Horus. This is radius and this is the less developed, that is the ulna. The main characteristic feature in case of the radius and ulna of the Horus are: number one, this is the radius, it is larger as well as longer among the two bones. Second is, this is the radial tuberosity. The radial tuberosity, it is large. तो पहला पार्ट जो था, जो रेडियस होती है, इट इज़ लार्जर एज वेल एज लॉन्गर. सेकंड इज एट द एंटीरियो मीडियल एस्पेक्ट, द प्रॉक्सिमल एक्सट्रीमिटी, देयर इज द रेडियल tuberosity present, which is large in case of the Horus. So this is radial tuberosity. Then these are the grooves present on the anterior surface, and here on the distal extremity of the radius, the articular facets, they are not oblique as compared to that of the ox. So ये oblique नहीं होते. These articular facets are not oblique, and this is the lateral articular facet. Here the ulna, it is not involved in the formation of the lateral articular facet. So ulna का यहाँ पे कोई रोल नहीं है in the formation of lateral articular facet, because there are three: one is medial, then middle, and the lateral articular facets, as we have seen in case of the cattle also. And now this is the ulna. The ulna, it is less developed, and this ulna, it extends only up to the distal third of the radius. This is ulna. So here only proximal interosseous space or radioulnar arch is present, while as the distal interosseous space, it is absent, as we have seen in case of the ox. So इसमें खाली एक ही interosseous space रहती है, that is proximal interosseous space or proximal radioulnar arch. And here the styloid process of the ulna, it is also absent. And one important feature is, this is the semilunar notch. Semilunar notch in case of the Horus, it is more triangular in outline. So this is the semilunar notch. It is more triangular in outline. So पहला point, so radial tuberosity जो होती है वो बहुत large होती है. It's large. The facets that are present on the distal extremity of the, they are not oblique, and जो the radial articular, जो lateral articular facet, that the ulna has no role in the formation of the lateral articular facet. And ulna में क्या होता है, proximal interosseous space only is present in case of the Horus, and the semilunar notch, it is more triangular in outline. So these were some important characteristic feature of the radius and ulna of the Horus. Thank you.